This video will highlight the use of long-form videos as a travel advisor's secret weapon for turning browsers into bookers. So let's talk about long-form video. Basically, any video longer than the average human attention span on social media, which science tells us hovers somewhere between a goldfish's memory and the time it takes your teenage nephew to respond to a text message. Approximately 5 to 90 seconds. Here's the concept. If a TikTok is a shot of espresso, a long-form video is sitting down for a leisurely 3-course meal with wine pairings and that little palate cleanser sorbet between the courses. We're talking videos that clock in at 8+ minutes, though many ambitious souls stretch them to 30 minutes, an hour, or even longer. These are the videos where creators actually have time to, finish their sentences without cutting to a trending dance move. Long-form video is basically the antidote to our goldfish brain internet culture. It says, hey, some things actually require more than 90 seconds to explain properly. Like why your clients absolutely need travel insurance, or why that beachfront hotel is technically beachfront if you consider a 6-lane highway part of the natural coastal ecosystem. Like dogs and wine varieties, long-form video comes in numerous personalities. You've got training videos, courses, tutorials, lectures, webinars, keynotes, explainers, case studies, conference recaps, panel discussions, and workshop presentations. There are more marketing video personalities than there are cruise ship buffet jokes. Product demonstrations, cruise ship tours, resort walkthroughs, destination guides, train journeys, ski resort showcases, educational content, customer support compilations, FAQ videos. The list is longer than the line for the water slide on embarkation day. All of these long-form videos could run up to more than an hour, and I'm absolutely certain that you'll find a need for one or more of these video types in your future, probably right around the time a client asks, but what's the difference between a balcony and a veranda? Long-form marketing videos aren't radically different from short-form videos. You just have considerably more time to add value to your unique proposition. And this is where branding becomes critically important. The last thing you want is to end up like some spectacularly tone-deaf campaigns that shall remain mostly nameless. Okay, so let's give a few of them. Budweiser's Dylan Mulvaney's disaster, United's Fly the Friendly Skies, diabolical, Visit Denmark's Do It for Denmark, which was awkward, and Malaysia Airlines' ill-timed bucket list campaign. Learn from their pain. Your long-form video should replicate your short-form video in every conceivable way. In fact, they should be so seamless that viewers don't even realize that they've transitioned like a well-executed magic trick, but with fewer rabbits and more resort amenities. Remember, your short-form video is simply the hook to entice viewers to continue their exploration by watching your long-form video for additional information. Use the same colors, fonts, audio, and theme throughout your entire conversion funnel so that moving from short-form to long-form is absolutely seamless. And ditto for the transition from your long-form video to your landing page. Consistency is key, like always ordering the same drink at the resort bar so that the bartender remembers you by day 3. Like short-form videos, a long-form video faces similar challenges and opportunities. So let's talk about 5 different elements in a minute that will assure you a successful long-form video. Alternatively, what might immediately cost you a sale, like and subscribe requests, which nobody really cares about, follow and ring the bell, begging, still nobody cares, your company introduction video, definitely not important, and your selfie stick, please, for the love of all that is holy, nobody really cares. You need to immediately grab attention and make viewers curious about what's coming. This could be a compelling question, a surprising statement, or a preview of the payoff that they're going to get by watching. Unlike short-form videos, which give you a merciless 1 to 3 seconds to look and set the hook, long-form videos grant you more time. But set the hook as quickly as possible and then proceed to converting the sale. Long-form content needs intentional organization so that viewers don't get lost or bored, or worse, both simultaneously. This means thoughtful segments laid out in logical and engaging formats, with variation in energy levels and strategic placement of key movements to maintain momentum throughout. Make your point and then move on to the next. And whether you're showcasing a cruise, an all-inclusive resort, a boutique hotel, or another travel experience, viewers need to feel their time investment was worthwhile. The content should deliver on whatever promise you made in your hook and title. This will encourage the viewer to take the next step. Bait and switch might work for Vegas magic shows, but it'll tank your conversion rate faster than a cruise ship's Wi-Fi connection. What makes your take on this topic different? Long form gives you space to showcase your unique voice, expertise, or storytelling style that keeps people engaged with you specifically, not just the topic. Are you the luxury travel guru, the budget hack master, the family vacation whisperer? Own it, lean into it, and be memorable. And once your visitor has viewed your long-form video, they've probably made a go or no-go decision. You should present them with the next opportunity to discover more by offering a link to your landing page. Again, this link should be an offer of help, not a hard sales pitch that feels like a timeshare presentation. Nobody likes those. Travel is an expensive, high-consideration purchase where people are investing significant money and precious vacation time. Often, they're only real time off all year. Long-form video, typically 3 to 8+ minutes, gives you the time to tell a complete story that helps viewers emotionally connect with the destination. Long-form content lets you comprehensively address these concerns in one place. You can show the hotel room and the neighborhood and the nearby restaurants and the day trip options, giving viewers the complete picture they need to feel confident booking. It's like a comprehensive pre-trip reconnaissance mission, but without the expense of actually going there first. And an 8+ minute destination guide or itinerary breakdown signals that you truly know this place. It positions you as someone who's done the homework, understands the nuances, and can be trusted to plan their trip. This is especially important for travel agents competing against the infinite void of internet experts who visited once on spring break and now have an opinion. YouTube heavily favors longer watch times in its algorithm. An 8-minute video that keeps viewers engaged will get significantly more reach than a 60-second clip. And since many travelers start their research on YouTube, searching things like best things to do in Lisbon or is Cabo really worth going to, long-form content will help you capture people early in their journey, ideally before they've committed to inferior options or, heaven forbid, tried to plan everything themselves. The key is understanding that travel selling isn't about quick impulse buys like those socks you added to your Amazon cart at midnight. It's about building enough confidence and desire that someone will commit thousands of dollars and irreplaceable time off. Long-form video uniquely provides the depth and the immersion needed to make that happen. So grab your camera, polish your script, and start creating content that actually gives your viewers something worth watching. Your conversion rate and your commission checks will thank you. Thank you for watching this short video. We hope you've enjoyed it. Why not give it a like or a share if you have? And if you would like to know when we release future tutorials, just subscribe to our channel.